Hi, my name is Richard Gatchik. I'm a program manager in the Power BI Solution Template team. What I'd like to do today is spend a few minutes talking about the Dynamics 365 for Customer Services Power BI Solution Template. Now, what this is a set of compelling Power BI reports on top of your Dynamics 365 for Customer Services implementation. It is architected to scale for the needs of a small team or the needs of an enterprise. Furthermore, it is infinitely customizable. Since no two organizations manage customer services exactly the same way, once it's installed, you can change it, modify it, extend it, however as you see fit to meet the needs of your organization. Solution template can be installed with just a few clicks. Simply answer a few questions and provide the permission for the install wizard to provision the Azure resources into your Azure subscription, and you're off to the races. Now, the architecture of the solution template features an Azure SQL database, which is populated with the data from your Dynamics 365 customer service instance. The data is populated using Dynamics Data Export Service. This is a replication technology of Dynamics that, after that initial load is done, changes to new records or deleted records are automatically replicated or copied over to that Azure SQL database. So no scheduling. The data is moved over, or the changes are moved over in real time. Not shown in the diagram is Azure Analysis Services. Analysis service is available for particularly demanding installations of the solution template or enterprise-wide deployments. And finally, a set of Power BI reports is provisioned, or it can be published or downloaded and then modified, and it is pre-bound to that Azure SQL database, or if you used it, Azure Analysis Services. Let's turn to the Power BI reports themselves. On the first summary page, we can see the number of cases by create date, by source. On the second, we see the number of cases resolved by resolution date. Of course, we can change the dates at any time. This filter, time filter up top. As well over here, the cases resolved by each of your service support engineers. On the second page are a number of metrics related to the service level agreement. We can see the number of cases and the number of times that the first response SLA and the resolution SLA were not complied with. Over here, we see the number of hours it's taken for each case to be resolved based on case priority, and we also see how well each, or the scores of each of the service engineers. And on the last page is information related to survey responses, number of responses received, the score of the response, and then the number of responses by each type of the Net Promoter. And of course, this can be changed. You can see on the right the visualizations and the fields that are available to you. You're free to add calculated columns, calculated expressions, change what's there, move it about to meet the needs of your organization. So there you have it. The Power BI solution template for Dynamics 365 customer services is a set of compelling Power BI reports on your customer services data. Furthermore, it's an architecture that scales from small teams to the enterprise, and completely flexible, and you can change as you see fit to accommodate the needs of your organization. That is, if you see some visualization that you need to add, you can add it. If you see some calculations you want to add, you can add them. If you want to create data mashups with this data, including other data from your organization, you can do that as well. We'd love to know what you think. Please install the solution template. It just takes a few minutes. Play around with it, and if you like it, let us know. We actually welcome any feedback you might have at pbisolutiontemplates@microsoft.com. Thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye now.